Welcome to WebStarBrush. How to select parent element in CSS only. CSS does not have a true parent selector, but you can achieve similar results with the workarounds or modern CSS techniques. We have the functional has CSS pseudo class and another secret method that not everybody knows. We're going to see these techniques in this video. So for our example, I need parent and child elements or outer and inner elements. And these are here. A div with class parent and an inner div with class inner and active. And here are some styles to see these properly. Parent, some padding and border, parent inner, padding, color, background, and border. Right? This is inner div and this is outer div. So we want to select this parent. I will show it by applying yellow background color to parent element like this. Parent has dot inner dot active, apply background color. So if the parent has div with class inner that has class active, apply yellow background to parent. And it's working, as you can see. Now you may ask, I used parent class name explicitly. No. So we've got this div, then this div, that is parent. So we can use something like, instead of dot parent, we can use container and div, and the result is same. Or div and div, result is same. So parent does not need to have a class. Still you can select the parent by identifying the inner div or child element. Also you can remove dot active class, remove it, and it will still be selected. So if a div has element with class inner, apply bg to that outer div, right? Very easy. Okay, this was one way to use has to get the parent element. We have another way as well. So here we have a div with class parent2 and inner div with class inner2 with tab index 0. Outer div and inner div. To see this properly, we apply some styles. Padding, border, padding, background color, border. So this is outer and this is inner div. We want to select this outer div. Let's apply some background color on the outer div. So here's the thing. Parent2, focus within. Background color, this orangish color. Focus within allows a parent to be selected if inner element has focus. An element can be focused if it has a tab index attribute that we have applied here. If I will select inner element, the outer element or parent element will be selected. This is the second way to select the parent. So if you focus on inner element, parent element gets selected. Easy, right? So use has or focus within to select parent element in CSS. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.